So Emma's desperately trying to eat her breakfast, but she has have a new job. She's the rhythm section of the breakfast table here. And guess what it does? It makes this little person very happy.
She will scream if I don't do this.
So Grandpa got a really cool thing at the, what's it called? He went to the powwow, I think. Yeah. And she's got her back to school outfit on because Emma's going to go to school today. School today. She's going to go to school. Yeah.
Back to school.
She's been away from her friends and her studies for a whole week. So we're going to go introduce her to her teacher and the principal and the secretary, and don't stop shaking. And Russell is under here eating her hat. Where's her hat? Give me that hat, Russell. You don't need that hat. Oh, I better go get the scrambled eggs. The Shake and Rock and Roll Band. The Shake and Rock and Roll Band. Do you like it, Grandpa? Do you like it, Grandpa? Say thanks, Grandpa, for saving our lives.
Yay, except for my breakfast.
Where's my breakfast? Oh.